Hey YouTube, today I have another unboxing of the another drone. It's called Altel Robotics or something, but I don't know the exact name. I'm gonna give a link on it. But just let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Oh, look, the box outside is big, but inside is actually small. Well, this one I know is it has a 4K camera. So that's the one I know. It looked like a Phantom product. I think this is an extra battery. Okay. So this. Oh, it's a nice case. It's included. Again, 4K. We have a battery, so let's take a look at the size. And while you take a look at this, I want to give you a comparison on how big the suitcase is. This is my laptop backpack, and so to give you a comparison in front of it, okay, how big it is. This one, take off. I try to keep this one clean just in case I need to still turn it. No, this is, so here we have a, let's grab this out. Altel Robotics, and here's the drone inside. So let's take this out. And then, oh, the case is really good. Remote control. We have propellers. Take one now. Oh, it's a nice looking one. Look at this. Nice. And we have, I think this is some sort of toolkit. Web charger. And we have manual. And I think that's pretty much it in the box. But again, the case is very good. And to give you a size of how big this thing is, again, my phone next to it, and the size. And on top, this one. Okay, and give you a remote. So that's how big the Okay, and this one we have a 4K camera with gimbal, so it's quite small. It looks slick. We have power on buttons. So far it looks very nice. I like it. So that's it for the unboxings. We have, obviously we need to update the firmware on this one before we can fly. So after we do that, we're gonna shoot another video for test flight. And so if you like it, subscribe.